Akenya mirioni 3.2 ni manyitagwo ni murimu wa malaria o mwaka, na hari na beno andu 11,000 ni makuaga kumana na maruru ma murimu uyu. Njira imwe ya kurigiriria murimu uyu ikoragwo ari kuhuthira neti cia RWAGI, kuria thirikari ikoretwo igitwarithia na mbere tabarira ya kuheana neti ici kaunti-ini iria igumagirwo ni murimu uyu, ari hamwe na HOMABAY, KISII, NYAMIRA, KISUMU, SIAYA, MIGORI, KWALE na MOMBASA, na gukinyiria riu thirikari iheanite neti mirioni 6.
Distribution processes is ongoing in another 13 counties, and we are prospecting to end the distribution around mid-May of this year. Again, indoor residue spraying, which was done in HOMABAY and MIGORI counties 2023, covering 96% of the households.
Ona kuhanora uguo thirikari ni tanyite gutamburukia tabarira ino kuri kaunti 22 igitanya gukinyira akenya mirioni 27 na kuheana neti mirioni 15 mbere ya mweri wa gatandatu mwaka uyu.
Investment gap that we had was about 24 billion, and we are calling upon the partners that we don't also work in silos, that we come together on the table, we pull together the resources so that we can be as impactful and as sustainable as possible as we move forward towards this fight of malaria.
Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Mary Muthoni, thirikari irabatara neti mirioni 18 makiria niguo kuongerera ithabu ria akenya aria mari na neti ici. Muthoni akiuga thiini wa mubango wa thirikari wa kuhurana na murimu uyu mwaka wa 2019-2023 murimu uyu ni wacokire thina gicunji kia 7% nacio ikuo iria ciumanaga na murimu uyu igicoka thina gicunji kia 32%.
When we see these climate change issues persisting, and especially the more the rain, the more our prevalence may go up. Therefore, we are putting all the strategies to ensure that we reduce malaria issues to 0%.
Ona kuhanora uguo anyititemi ni mahinyiririe bata wa thirikari kuigithia makiria hari kuhurana na murimu uyu hatari gucuthiriria muno uteithio kuma kuri mabururi mangi.
Having been categorized as a low middle income country means that we need to be more reliant on ourselves when it comes to healthcare financing, and the collaborative and partnership approach is inevitable. So from the private sector we are saying that it's now time we come on board. It's now time we deliberately get involved a little more so that we are able to be of service.
Hadini Hakameme TV, Jitagogena Wawaduro.